Hey there, having trouble finding your AirTag in the Find My app? Don't panic. This is way more common than you think, and I'm going to walk you through the instant fixes, even if you're not a tech whiz. First up, double-check the Items tab in the Find My app. AirTags don't show under Devices, they live under Items. It sounds simple, but it's a super common mix-up. Next, let's make sure your iPhone's settings are in shape. Head to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure Find My is set to while using, and Precise Location is on. Also, Bluetooth needs to be on. If it's off, AirTags just won't connect. Still missing? Try a classic fix. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot works magic by clearing out sync bugs. Now here's a step people often miss. Enable iCloud Keychain. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Passwords and Keychain, and make sure it's toggled on. It helps keep your AirTag info synced. If your AirTag still isn't showing, it's time for the 5-chime factory reset. Here's how. Open your AirTag by pressing and twisting the steel cover. Remove the battery, pop it back in, and press down until you hear a chime. Repeat this 4 more times. Yes, 5 total. On the 5th try, you'll hear a higher-pitched chime. That's your reset. Now, reassemble your AirTag and bring it close to your iPhone. You should see the setup screen pop right up. Don't forget to use a fresh CR2032 battery, but skip the bitter-coated ones, since they might not work. And always make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS. Bonus tip: if your AirTag vanished after an update, try signing out and back into iCloud, or toggle from Wi-Fi to cellular for a minute. Sometimes, that's all it takes. Hope this gets your AirTag back on track.